Introducing the Hisun Strike 250R. This is the ultimate youth side-by-side. Let's run through some of the exceptional features this vehicle offers. Power is at your fingertips with the robust 229cc motor. Experience exhilarating rides with the perfect blend of performance and precision. Say goodbye to the hassle of carburetors. The EFI system ensures optimal fuel delivery, providing seamless performance in any terrain. Safety and comfort are non-negotiable. The Strike 250R comes equipped with a hard roof for protection and a full two-piece split windshield to shield you from the elements. When the going gets tough, the Strike 250R gets going. The 2,500-pound winch with synthetic rope ensures you're never stranded, even in the most challenging situations. Take control of your adventure with two-wheel drive and versatile transmission options, high, low, and reverse, giving you the flexibility to conquer any terrain. Navigate with confidence. The Strike 250R comes equipped with the essential features like horn, high beam, low beam, and turn signals for a complete riding experience. Traction meets control. Conquer diverse terrains with the 22-inch knobby trail tires and rely on hydraulic disc brakes for responsive stopping power. Built for durability, the Strike 250R features a chain-driven system, ensuring reliable performance on every adventure. Practicality meets versatility. The stationary cargo bed with a 50-pound capacity lets you carry essentials, and the adjustable seat accommodates riders of different heights and growing enthusiasts. The Strike 250R features a throttle speed control screw, allowing you to adjust the throttle pedal limit. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. Experience the next level adventure with the Hisun Strike 250R. Of course, you can visit our website at southmainiron.com or stop by our downtown Paris location. Don't forget, we ship nationwide and offer financing on all Hisun vehicles. Thanks for watching.